Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever found yourself accidentally triggering Google Assistant, or maybe you just prefer not to use it, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to disable Google Assistant on your Android phone. So let's dive right in. First, unlock your Android phone and find the Google app. It's the one with the colorful G icon. Now tap in your profile, which you can see at the top right corner. Then tap in Settings, scroll down until you find Google Assistant. Here, scroll down until you find the General section. Tap on it. Here, you'll see a switch next to Google Assistant. This switch enables or disables the assistant. Tap the switch to turn it off. A confirmation pop-up may appear, asking if you're sure you want to turn off Google Assistant. Go ahead and confirm your choice. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Google Assistant on your Android phone. Remember, you can always turn it back on by following the same steps and toggling the switch to on.